Unveiling the meaning behind turkey oven in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, turkey oven. Understanding such phrases is not just about knowing the words, but also about grasping the context in which they're used. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning together. First, let's break down the phrase into its two components, turkey and oven. A turkey is a large bird that is often cooked and eaten, especially in North America, during special occasions like Thanksgiving and Christmas. An oven, on the other hand, is a kitchen appliance used for baking or roasting food. By understanding these individual words, we get a basic idea, but there's more to it when they're combined. Now, when we combine these words into the phrase, turkey oven, it refers to an oven that is specifically large enough or specially designed to cook a turkey. This phrase emphasizes the size and functionality of the oven. It's not just any oven, but one suitable for cooking a large bird like a turkey. This kind of specific description is common in English, where two nouns are put together to describe a particular type of item. In real-life scenarios, you might hear this phrase in different contexts. For instance, in a store, someone might ask for a turkey oven when looking for an oven big enough for holiday cooking. Or in a cooking show, the host might mention using a turkey oven to ensure the bird cooks evenly. Understanding the context helps in grasping the full meaning of the phrase. Learning phrases like turkey oven is not just about adding words to your vocabulary, but also about understanding cultural references and specific contexts in which English is used. Phrases like these are a window into the practical and cultural uses of the language. I hope this video has helped you understand what turkey oven means in English and how you can apply this knowledge in real-life situations. Keep practicing and exploring, and you'll find that English is full of interesting phrases just waiting to be discovered. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.